Alright, so what we're doing today is 2017 Jeep Renegade brakes, no rotors. This is 57,000 miles. A little bit of road, what do you call it, wear on the rotors here, but not too bad. So I'm just going to change the brake pads out. Already got some new ones, ordered from Rock Auto. Definitely recommend getting any parts from there, save a ton of money. The reason why I'm doing this video is because it has the electric, oh yeah, you get all these things too, new hardware for it. It has the electric parking brake, similar to Mercedes and stuff like that. And this is my first time doing this. I couldn't find any videos, so I was like, what the fuck? So I came across the 2010 with a similar setup on a Volkswagen, which is, normal brake setup. You're going to take out these two bolts. Let's see here. I haven't even done this side yet. I already did the other side. But you're going to need a 13 millimeter for this side here. And then you're going to need... Oh, my vice grips over there? Yep, vice grips over there. Give me 1 second. I already did this side here. As you can see, new hardware, new brake pad, electric brake back on. All you're going to need is going to be a T30 torque set. And this one goes into right there. Once you pop the caliper off, and that's how you'll be able to press the piston back in on the caliper. I will get back here when we are done.